guys, it's Fadra from allthingsfadra.com, and I've got a totally different project going on today. I am here to showcase the UpSkill Project by Lowe's Home Improvement, and this is not my home. This is the home of Diane, and I want to introduce you to Diane.
Hi!
So Diane submitted a video to Lowe's asking for help. Tell us a little bit about what you did.
Well, I came across the Lowe's UpSkill contest on a fluke, really, but I was so glad that I did. And they asked for a project that I wanted to do to refresh my home, and I chose landscaping because I badly needed it. And now they're putting in all of this beautiful landscaping, and I'm waiting patiently, but I'm waiting like a child waiting for Christmas.
Well guys, that's a wrap on the UpSkill Project here in Baltimore, Maryland with the help of Lowe's Home Improvement. And I hope you learned a few things along the way, just like Diane did. I know I did. She had so many questions, and I know now that she feels like an expert. She was already showing me the project that she plans to do in the backyard and the project she plans to help her neighbor with. So that's what it's really all about, empowering yourself to do it yourself and knowing that you have experts to call on when you need them, like the red vests at Lowe's Home Improvement. Thanks for joining me for this project, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great videos just like this.